Hello friends, welcome to SK Law classes. Here in this video, I am going to share with you important questions on the subject of legal theory, which is a subject of LLM first year from Kurukshetra University. So friends, if you are a new viewer on my channel or you have not seen any video on my channel, then please go through the playlist LLM wherein I have posted all my important questions on the other subjects which will definitely will help you for the LLM examination. So friends, today question which is I am going to discuss with you have been made on the basis of PCP classes and which is usually asked in the last year examinations, and I have divided the questions according to unit wise as unit 1, 2, 3, 4. So firstly let's come for unit 1. Let's see unit 1. So friend, these are the important questions of unit 1. So basically question number 1 to 5 are with respect to nature, value and province of jurisprudence. Or there are mainly one questions, that is common question, definition and meaning of jurisprudence, or briefly discuss nature and scope of jurisprudence. This is a very important question which has repeatedly been asked from the last few years in every years. Now the second concept is Kelsen's pure theory of law. You see question number 6, 7, 8 are belongs to Kelsen's pure theory of law, or question number 7 belongs to Kelsen's pure theory of law and difference between Austin and Kelsen's theory. Austin's theory is also important, but Kelsen pure theory of law is very important than Austin. Now question number 9 or 10 belongs to Hart's concept of law. Question number 9 says evaluate Hart concept of law, and question number 10 says explain Hart's rule of recognition and what are defects of this approach. So there are mainly three questions which are very important from unit 1. Now we come to unit 2. These are the questions of unit 2. Now question number 1, 2, 3 are with respect to Savigny's contribution to historical school, or we can say Savigny theories of Volksgist. Question number 4 is with regard to Henry Manon's theories. Question number 5 to 6 are with respect to question of revival of natural law, or what do you mean by natural law? Explain the revival of natural law in 20th century with a special reference to India, as question number 6 says. Now question number 7 is discuss Stemler's natural law with variable content. Now question number 8, 9, 10 are very important, which says that theories of precedent in Indian contract. What do you mean by precedent? Distinguish between ratio decidendi or abita dicta, or discuss the theory of precedent in Indian contract. To unit 3. Question number 1 is write a critical note on modern realism. Question number 2 and 3 are with respect to Duggett's social solidarity or Duggett's theory of law. Question number 4, 5, 6 is with regard to Roscoe Pound's concept of social engineering, which is similar. Question number 4, 5, 6 are from a similar topic. Now question number 7, 8, 9 are Rawls' theory of justice, which is very important and very repeatedly questions in from the last few years. Now question number 10 is discuss critically Indian approach to social economic justice. Now we see question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. There are three mainly topics which are very important and which is repeatedly asked from the unit 3. This is unit 4, wherein there are mainly three topics, that is legal rights, legal personality and possession and ownership. Question number 1 and 2 is with respect to rights and duties, like question number 1 says rights and duties are correlative. Question number 2 is define right and its elements, explain the theories of rights. Question number 3, 4, 5 are with respect to various theories of corporate personality or on legal personality. Question number 6 to 10, which says for possession and ownership, are very important. Questions are usually asked as to define ownership and discuss different modes of acquisition of ownership, or what do you mean by possession, explain with the help of case law, or distinguish between possession and ownership, and define ownership and its different modes. So friends, these are the total 4 units, 1 2 3 4. So friends, I hope you like this video, as this is a very important questions which are must done do for in such a short span of a time. So friends, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share, and give your comments. And other subjects link are also available in the description box, and hope you like. Thanks for watching this video.